How the devil are we? So we're looking at alien eggs on the seafloor. Try saying that 3 times fast. Alien eggs on the seafloor, alien eggs on the seafloor. Yeah, I can do it. Let's have a look.
Tonight, for the first time, we're going to investigate an alleged alien egg at the bottom of the sea. Check this out.
For the first time. I mean, I can't imagine there's that many people investigating alien eggs at the bottom of the sea.
It's August 30th, 2023. The ship, the Okeanos Explorer, has sent a tricked-out ROV, or remotely operated vehicle, 2 miles down below the surface. And before long, the device's camera comes across this confounding sight. It's a strange golden orb resting on the Alaskan seafloor. Its smooth, rounded texture looks almost egg-like. The scientists
I mean, yeah, I suppose it looks out of place. I wouldn't call it an orb, though, if I'm honest.
are dumbfounded, having never seen anything remotely like this before.
Yeah, I don't know what to make of that.
As we were coming across it, I was like, huh, that looks pretty interesting. And I was like, ooh, I don't really know what that is.
Huh, it's definitely got, you know, a big old hole in it, so something either tried to get in or tried to get out.
Well done. Millions of dollars in research, and you came to that magic conclusion.
It's like the beginning of a horror movie.
Here's Johnny!
Scientists from around the world watching the live stream are just as perplexed. Some scientists suggested that this could possibly be coral, but many believe that's highly improbable due to its smooth surface and lack of coral-like holes. Other researchers,
I mean, it's one of the many enjoyments that we have here on set is when he yells coral.
Certainly not in front of Carl. Carl! 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 Carl. 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 Carl! Carl. Carl. Carl got shot. Carl's gonna be all right. Carl is here in this world. Carl. 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 Looking at that deer, and that deer looking right back at Carl, and that moment just... Carl
shot down the idea that this could simply be a sponge due to its apparent fragility.
Oh, soft dermal layer, okay.
I mean, if a new technical discovery, a new biological discovery at the bottom of the sea, what do? Let's poke and prod it with the arm of the RAV. Come on, UAV.
The closer we got, rather than getting more answers, I think we got more questions. So we ended up deciding to take a sample and bringing it back on board.
The mysterious specimen is brought to the Smithsonian
Via maneuver. Magic.
Museum of Natural History, where its identity remains a mystery to this day.
Many are convinced that it is some type of USO, or unidentified.
How do you get a lumpy blob of gold to that?
Submersible object. Is this something extraterrestrial in nature?
Gerhardt
Yeah, it's a spacecraft. Looks like a spacecraft. Definitely looks like a Tic Tac.
presents one more theory, that this still could be a creature of earthly origin that haunted these waters millennia ago.
I mean, yeah. I mean, it is earthly origin. It's found in the sea on Earth.
May 18th, 2011, paleontologists working in the Tongass National Forest of Southeast Alaska. Could this golden object be the egg of some unknown species of surviving dinosaur?
Oh, God, they like throwing out just any old wild theory, don't they? Could it be E.T.? Could it be a dinosaur? Could it be the golden egg that Veronica tried to steal in Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory?
Can organisms really survive in space? Well, tobacco seed samples were mounted outside a spacecraft for more than a year. After they were returned to Earth on the space shuttle, a quarter of them survived well enough to be grown as plants.
Wonder why you would take tobacco into space.
500 cigarettes. Oh my God.
This golden orb have spawned from a seed that was equally space-worthy? Let's check in with the experts. Biologist Floyd Hayes is extremely skeptical that this could be the egg of a recently discovered dinosaur.
Good man. At least someone's talking sense.
It's been suggested that this could be the egg of a thalattosaur, a group of marine reptiles that became extinct during the mid to late Jurassic.
Could this deep water orb represent the discovery of a new earthly species?
I would guess this may be the egg casing of some kind of ocean animal because it's a very thin membrane that is attached to a rocky surface.
Next week on Stating the Obvious.
And that gives an embryonic animal time to develop in a safe and static environment.
There. It's okay, Daddy's here. Daddy's got you. I promise I will never let anything happen to you.
But until there's molecular testing or genetic analysis,
I mean, good luck trying to test anything now, given that you've destroyed it with Dyson there.
of whatever this is, we don't know for sure. And that's part of the excitement of the ocean. There's always something new to find.
Our verdict? We are leaning toward this being the egg of an undiscovered species.
Yeah, pretty much the only obvious solution there.
Our experts seem to agree that this is an eggshell or casing of some kind, but exactly what it is and where it came from remains unknown.
I mean, I wasted a segment on that, really. I don't feel like I wasted 7-8 minutes actually looking at this video. It's interesting. They found something at the bottom of the ocean. They don't know what it is. Surely they would have said, oh, we've done some DNA testing. Doesn't match to any known species. They don't go into that. You know why? Because they probably did, and it was probably something very prosaic. Like, oh, it's a species of fungi. Something like that. That is not native to the area, but that's why it sticks out. Anyway, what do you think it was? Do you think it was an alien Tic Tac? God, I don't know where that guy was going with that. I'll see you on the next one.